At Arham, we believe that every challenge is a chance to rise. When we received an export order from Bahrain, a significant project worth 1.5 crore, we knew this would be more than just another delivery. It was an opportunity to prove what we are truly capable of. But the time was short, the expectations were clear, and the pressure real. Instead of relying on traditional, we chose to evolve, adopting advanced manufacturing techniques and investing in powerful new machines that brought precision, speed, and strength. Each ladder we built was designed with intention, robust reliability, and smart. Modular in form so they could be shipped disassembled, reducing volume, cutting down shipping cost, and adding real value for our clients overseas. Once built, each part was carefully checked, then packed in export quality boxes, neat, compact, and secure, ready for the journey ahead. At Arham, we don't just build ladders. We build solutions that travel across borders. We build trust. Arham, देश का ladder.